I brought the OMNIWave into my practice the beginning of this year, and I got to tell you, it's been absolutely amazing experience having it. This machine, I don't even know where to begin. It's a very, very versatile machine. There are so many different conditions that can be treated with this machine. Not only just doing the OMNIWave treatments themselves, but doing them in conjunction with other therapies to form protocols for very difficult conditions to treat, and it just completely enhances the ability for us to get very substantial gains with patients in a shorter amount of time, lasting permanent gains, pain relief. It's been a complete game changer for the treatments that I'm able to provide for my patients. Machine's amazing, and I would highly recommend getting one. In the last 6 months since I've put the OMNIWave into my practice has grown in a lot of different ways. From a revenue perspective, the gains in revenue, I mean, I basically tripled my revenue in the first month that I had this machine. It's been absolutely incredible. But it's also grown in terms of the types of treatments that I can now provide to my patients. This amazing stuff, these treatments, and when you use them either by themselves or in conjunction with other therapies, I've been able to treat certain conditions that otherwise, with just regular chiropractic care or even just doing basic modalities, we get some gains, but we haven't really gotten the patient to the finish line. And now being able to incorporate these OMNIWave treatments into their protocol, it's been absolutely amazing. So my practice has grown from a revenue perspective, from a treatment perspective. It's just been amazing. So I have been using the OMNIWave to treat a whole host of different conditions. And I gotta tell you, I haven't had a single patient since I've had this machine that hasn't gotten significant gains in terms of pain relief and function, range of motion. It's been absolutely incredible. And a lot of these patients are patients that have had chronic issues and they've run the gamut of treatments, anything from just basic chiropractic care all the way up through, various pain management modalities, from injections and pills and physical therapy and you name it. And they've been through it, and then they'll come in and see me, and we'll throw some OMNIWave in the mix, and it's mind-blowing, their response to it. I mean, just like, wow, I haven't felt this good in years. And that seems to be like the common theme when I do the OMNIWave on my patients, is just how incredible the results are. How much, wow, I couldn't move this joint, and now look at me now, after 1 or 2 treatments. I mean, it's just that incredible. So definitely game-changing stuff. Highly recommend you getting it in your practice ASAP. So I've been in practice for over 22 years now, and I've come across a lot of different types of equipment in those 22 years. And I've never shied away from getting the most technologically advanced equipment in my practice, and getting an OMNIWave was no different. But I did my research when I was looking for these acoustic wave devices and to see how they differed. And once I compared how the delivery system was, and how deep we could penetrate the tissue. Once I figured that all out, it was an absolute no-brainer for me to go with an OMNIWave. This machine is far more advanced than any other acoustic wave machine that's available on the market today. To be able to deliver treatments completely painless, to be able to penetrate deeper into the tissue than any other technology available, and do that in a shorter amount of time and get better results, it's just an absolute no-brainer. I encourage everybody that wants to get an acoustic wave device to do their research, because if you do, then you're going to see that the OMNIWave is really the only choice in terms of being able to provide your patients with the best, most advanced type of treatment available. So would I recommend the OMNIWave to other providers? Well, part of me wants to say no, just because I want to keep this technology all to myself. But all joking aside, though, absolutely. I mean, I think if you're looking to provide top quality treatments, if you're looking to increase your revenue exponentially, if you're looking to just overall enhance your practice on all levels, then it's not even a question of whether you get an OMNIWave in your practice or not. It's if you're on the fence about it, what are you waiting for? Just pull the trigger on it. You're not going to be unhappy. You're just going to become a better doctor. You're going to become a better facility, and you're going to make more money being able to provide better treatments for your patients. So I would 100% recommend getting an OMNIWave in your practice.